Hello guys, today I've got the Samsung Galaxy A57 and I'm going to show you how to set up the secure folder. At first open the settings and now in the settings scroll down till you see security and privacy. Now here you need to scroll down till you see here more security settings and here secure folder. Tap it. As you can see, set secure screen lock first. Tap settings and select either PIN, password or pattern. Pattern is this symbol. Password is alphanumeric, so numbers, special marks, everything, and PIN is just numbers. I also set the pattern because it's easier to put it. And now here we can hit it down, doesn't matter. And now secure folder, more, continue, more, continue. Now we have granted many permissions for this, but it's safe, so don't worry. And now we are creating the secure folder. We need to wait a moment because it's not so easy process to process for our phone. And now here, as you can see, secure folder lock and biometrics. Select a lock type to protect your apps and private files. If you forget how to unlock secure folder, you can reset your lock using your Samsung account. It can be, for example, pattern again. The same, continue, the same, confirm. Allow log reset with Samsung account, allow. Next, and here. Choose what happens when secure folder is locked. Close all apps while locked or allow background activity while locked. It's based on your preferences, then done. And as you can see here, we've got the secure folder. If we tap this plus, we can add the apps, download them from Play Store, from Galaxy Store, add apps from phone, and use them right from here. And that's it, how it helps you, and goodbye!